Hi children, today we learned multiplication. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. We learned to do multiplication. Now let us learn to do word problem in multiplication. Alright? It is same like the addition subtraction. You just had to be a little careful. Word problems in multiplication. Word problems in multiplication. Word problems in multiplication. And this is the sign for multiplication. Now, I'll write the problem for you. We'll read together. Then we need to frame statements. And then we must keep in mind when we put into the margin how we do it. All right? Now, the first problem is a box has 5 chocolates. So there is a box with 5 chocolates. If there are 6 such boxes, how many chocolates are there? 6 such chocolates. How many chocolates are there? Altogether? That is one problem. One more problem for you. Okay. Another problem is one bench has one bench in one bench 4 boys can sit. In one bench 4 boys can sit. Alright? And if there are 7 benches, if there are 7 benches, how many boys are there altogether? There are 7 benches. How many boys can sit? So what one bench has got 4 boys. If in one bench 4 boys can sit. If there are 7 benches, how many boys can sit altogether? I have got 2 problems for you. Then first thing we need to do is to make the margin, and then we start. Okay, now what the first of all, let's read the problem. A box has 5 chocolates. If there are 6 such boxes, how many chocolates are there altogether? The first statement is number of chocolate in one box. Number of chocolate in one box. Then number of boxes, 6. Therefore, number of chocolate, or the total number of chocolates. So that's what we are going to do. 3 statements. So the first statement we are going to write number of chocolates in one box. Good. Number of chocolates in one box. Number of chocolate in one box equal to how many? 5. Next, number of boxes. What is the next statement? Number of boxes. How many boxes are there? How many number of boxes? 6. What is the next one? Therefore, the total number of chocolates. Therefore, the total number of chocolates. How do you find? 5 into 6. Okay, that's it. Okay, 5 into 6. Now, so you're going to multiply. There are 5 chocolate in one box. That into, and you have 6 boxes. So one box has 5, therefore 6 boxes. 6 5s are. Okay, 6 5s are 30. So what is the answer? There are 30 chocolates altogether. So your answer is answer 30 chocolates altogether. Now, look. First read the question. If a box has 5 chocolates, and if there are 6 such boxes, how many chocolates are there altogether? So, number of chocolate in one box, 5. Number of boxes, 6. Number of boxes, 6 boxes. One box, 5. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 6 times 5. 5, 6s are 30. So, what is your answer? There are 6 chocolates altogether. Now, the second sum, if in one bench, 4 boys can sit. One bench, 4 boys can sit. And if there are 7 benches, how many boys can sit altogether? One bench, 4. How many benches are there? 7. Okay. So now, what is the first statement? Number of boys in one bench. Number of boys sitting on one bench. What is that? 4. Number of boys sitting on one bench? 4. What is the total number of benches? 7. So the next one is number of benches. Number of benches. So there are number of benches. How many? 7. Now what are you asked to find out? How many boys can sit all together? There are 7 benches. So you're going to find out therefore the total number of boys. How will you find the total number of boys? 4 in one bench. So 4 into 7. That you have to write. 4 into 7. So here what are you doing? Multiplying. You are multiplying 4 into 7. How many boys are there in one bench? 4. Now, how many benches are there? 7 benches. So, if you say you have 4 in one bench, how many benches are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many benches are there? 7. 1 bench, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 fours are, that's what you're doing. Okay, 1 bench, 4 boys. So there are 7 benches. And didn't we learn multiplication is? Yes, addition, yes. 1, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 20, 24, 28. 4 sevens are, or 7 fours are, 28. Okay, so what are you doing? Multiplication is repeated addition. And what did we get? 28. So what is your answer? There are 28 boys. So your answer is 28 boys are there sitting on 7 benches. Now here you have 5 chocolates in one box. How many chocolates in one box? 5 chocolates. How many boxes are there? 6. Okay, so we are trying to find out, okay, how many chocolates will be there? Oh, 5 in one box. So 6 boxes are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, repeated addition is multiplication. Okay, now let's all add and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One box has got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. So, here you have 1 box, 5 chocolate, you have 1 bench, 4 boys. All you need to do is, okay, how many bench? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiplication is repeated addition. 1 bench, 4 boys. 2 benches, 8 boys. And you go on. Alright? So now we have learned today word problems in multiplication. How to do the statement, then multiplication sign, put the number correctly, and then multiply. 4 sevens are 28, or 7 fours are 28. Multiplication, repeated addition. So 4, 7 times and you get the answer. Alright? Practice will make us perfect, children. So we will do 2 more word problems in multiplication. One girl is given 7 balloons. One girl is given 7 balloons. And if there are 10 children, or if there are 10 girls, if there are 10 girls, okay, how many balloons, how many balloons are needed? One girl gets 7 balloons. And if there are 10 girls, how many balloons are needed so that we can give all, okay, equally. Now, another problem. Read the problem. We need to have 3 statements. Now, another problem. One pot has 3 flowers. If one pot has 3 flowers. Class, there are 9 such pots. The question is, how many flowers are there? How many? How many flowers are there in all? 1 pot, 3 flowers. 9 pot, how many flowers? That's the question. So we have 2 problems here and then we're going to work on them. First, we'll read the problem. One girl is given 7 balloons. How many girls are there? There are 10 girls are there. So we need to find out how many balloons are needed to give each girl 7. So what will be the first statement? Number of balloons given to one girl. Number of balloons given to one girl. Number of balloons given to one girl. Okay, how many? Number of balloons, how many? 7. So you write there 7. Next one. How many girls are there? 10. So next is number of girls. Number of girls. What is the number of girls? 10. There are 10 girls. What is we are asked to find out? How many balloons are they needed? One girl gets 7. There are 10 girls. So, therefore, total number of balloons. What is the total number of balloons? 7 into 10. Alright? 7 into 10. Now, we learned multiplication is repeated addition. One girl gets how many balloons? 7. And then how many girls are there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sevens are. Very good, 70. So multiplication is repeated addition. So if each girl must get 7 balloons, you write down 7 10 times. 10 sevens are 70. So what is your answer? Your answer is you need 70 balloons. How many balloons are needed? 70 balloons to give it to 10 girls. You learned how to do? Number of balloons given to one girl? 7. Number of girls? 10. Therefore, total number of balloons? 7 into 10, 70. Multiplication is repeated addition. One girl is given 7 balloons and there are 10 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sevens are 70. Alright. Now we have another problem here. Let's read the problem. If one pot has 3 flowers and there are 9 such pots, we are asked to find out how many flowers are there in all. So what will be the first statement? The first statement will be number of flowers in one pot. What's the first statement? Number of flowers in one pot. How many flowers in one pot? 3 flowers. So you have 3 flowers in one pot. How many pots are there? 9. So number of pots? Number of pots. How many? 9. Number of pots? 9. Now what are we asked to find out? How many flowers there in all? Therefore, total number of flowers. That is 3 into 9. 3 multiplied by 9. So number of flowers in one pot? 3. How many pots are there? 9 pots. Therefore, total number of flowers in the 9 pots. What did we learn? Multiplication is repeated addition. How many flowers are there in one pot? 3. How many pots are there? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We learned multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One pot, 3 flowers. So 9. 9 threes are 27. How many? You have 27 flowers. So what is your answer? Your answer is how many flowers? Your answer is 27 flowers. That's your answer. Okay? So what did we learn here? In word problems also you must think of multiplication is the repeated addition. One pot has got 3 flowers and there are 9 such pots. We are going to put 3 flowers in each pot. One pot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 9 pots. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So we learn to do word problems in multiplication. We learn to write the statements in multiplication problem.